Hey guys, how's it going? It's late, but I wanted to make this video because I'm having a snack. This is a microwavable okonomiyaki from 7-Eleven. And if you don't know what okonomiyaki is, it's, what's okonomiyaki?
It's from Osaka Prefecture. It's like a battered pancake, but it has cabbage and meat.
Okonomiyaki is actually probably one of my favorite dishes in Japan, probably. It's the first one I learned how to say with a really complicated name, so I like it. Let's give it a try. They put the fish flakes on it, bonito flakes, and when it's warm, they move. If you can see. Kind of moving. Let's do it. It's really good. Yeah, this is the 7-Eleven branded one. It's in like the frozen food section. It's actually really good. I'm impressed. I've said this before, but convenience stores here are amazing, and oftentimes convenience stores here have better food than a lot of restaurants. It's insane. And this okonomiyaki is actually better than some okonomiyaki I've had at restaurants. And it's a frozen, microwavable one from 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven Japan, specifically. You're doing good. What do you guys like at convenience stores here in Japan? Let me know some of your opinions on things. Let me know, what should I try at 7-Eleven or Family Mart or Lawson? What is good there? I'd like to know. I'd like to try it. I'd like to do a food review on it. I love eating. I'm eating in a lot of my videos. So give me some recommendations. That's okonomiyaki from 7-Eleven. Short, sweet video. I'm gonna give it, if I had to give it a score from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, I would say something like an 8, considering it's frozen. Like if I put it in that frozen food category, it's an 8 or a 9 probably. It's up there in frozen food category. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.